Once upon a time, in a bright green meadow,
Tweet, tweet! Time for a trek, team. Today, we are trekking to the old hill fort on the very top of Black Rock Mountain.
The top?
They walked, and they walked, and they climbed.
Whew! Why is it so high up? Whoops! Loose rock!
Take cover under the root. Whew, that was a close one.
Up. It's literally in the clouds.
Don't give up now, Bella. Another inch.
Look, it will only take 5 more minutes to reach the top. Right, Annie. Watch me leap across this. Whoa!
Nice landing, Captain Jump-A-Lot. Teamwork makes the trek work. Well, if we have 5 minutes, we definitely have time for breakfast. Wow, Bella, you brought the best snacks. Breakfast done. Let's conquer this mountain, team.
At last, they reached the ancient fort walls.
Look, these are old carvings made by the fort's builders. It's a symbol of the old king. It helps you look out over the whole kingdom. That is geography, Pip. It's how the land is shaped. From up here on this steep hill, you can see for miles. It's a very strategic place to keep an eye on enemy troops' movements. Why do the walls have these cool square gaps in them? Those are for protection. Soldiers use them to look out safely.
Every corner held remnants of a beautiful old culture.
Whoa! Look at the artwork on this old plate.
This is why history matters. It's a story we can still touch. Oh no! Look at this place. People threw their garbage right next to the old carvings. This is a historic fort. No one should ever litter in a place like this. Come on, team. Let's clean it up and carry it down to the real garbage bins.
Got one! Leave no trace.
Places like this are special. They must be preserved.
Cleaning this up makes me feel like a true protector of the fort.
This is just the beginning. Studying this history makes me want to explore every fort out there. Did you love our big hill fort adventure today? Then please smash that like button and share this story with your loved ones. Follow for more wild adventures. Annie's Garden, friends so small, big adventures for us all.